Hi, my name is Vivian. I work at Yerkes Observatory in Williams Bay, Wisconsin. Today I'm going to show you how to open up your Skynet observations in a program called Afterglow. You may have started at your Skynet page in My Observatory and you see that your observation is complete. Click on the name of your observation and you'll find in this case, three JPEGs of previews of your images. If you want to study these in more detail, go to Afterglow by clicking on the word Afterglow in the upper right part of the image. When the Afterglow window opens up, type your username and your password. Now, once you are in Afterglow, you can find your observations by going to File, Open Images, or by using the handy yellow icon in the upper left. This is an icon for opening files. When we click on the yellow folder, we see that there are three drives. You're going to choose the first one, My Images. And now you see that your latest observation is listed first. Double-click on the folder for your observation, and in this case, I'm going to choose the first image. I open up that image, and it's going to display right on this web page. I see that my target doesn't look like it's centered. Well, the reason for that is that the image itself is too big for the display window. So I'm going to use a pan tool. You can click and drag on your image in order to move it around and see all the different parts. I'm going to move it around so that this beautiful object is in the center. Now, what if I want to change this display a little bit by looking at different min and max values? I do that by going to Window and looking at the window for histogram. Histogram is in the center of the menu choices. When I click on histogram, it opens up a small window that has a setting for min and a setting for max. This is automatically displayed in Z-scale. However, I could change it to another automatic setting called min-max by clicking on the min-max button. Wow, that made most everything disappear except the very brightest parts of the picture. I need to see more than that, so I'm going to go to the max value window and gradually delete some of the decimal places. As I move my cursor to the left, deleting the nines, I see more and more of the ring. And wow, I kind of like 99.9 as the value for max, because now I can see detail in this ring that I couldn't see in the automatic Z-scale setting. So I like this setting. I want to save it. Okay, so I'm going to save as a JPEG, and I have a couple settings cropped to match the viewer, so it looks just like I have arranged it and chosen values for min and max, or I can choose a full image and use the scale from my viewer. Today I'm going to crop to match the viewer. Then I'm going to download this image to a folder on my own desktop by clicking on Download. I'm going to save it to my folder. In this case, I'm replacing one that I already had there. And now I'm going to explore a few other tools. You can do these on your own. You can zoom in to make your image bigger. You can zoom out to make your image smaller. The icons for these are the magnifier with the plus sign and the magnifier with the minus sign. The icon that is labeled FIT, or fit, is for zooming to fit the image to your window. You can also flip your image vertically by clicking on the icon with the up and down arrows. You can flip your image as a mirror image by using the icon with the arrows going horizontally left and right. By clicking on the icon with the right turn arrow, you can rotate your image 90 degrees to the right. By clicking on the icon with the left arrow, you can rotate your image left by 90 degrees. Have fun exploring these other options, and thank you for listening for how to display your image in Afterglow.